ख्वाब तेरे जलवे हजार, मेरा भी पता है मैं न मानू कभी हार। तेरी मेरी दुनिया में बेहिसाब प्यार, मैं हूँ एक एंजल और डेविल मेरा यार। तेरे जैसा दुनिया में कोई भी नहीं, जिसे ढूंढती नजर लगे तू ही है वही। परियों की रानी हूँ मैं सबसे हंसी, पर तेरे बिना किक मुझे मिलती नहीं। तेरे बिना किक मुझे मिलती नहीं, तेरे बिना किक मुझे मिलती नहीं। तेरे बिना जे मैनू यार ना मिले ते मर जावा, ते मैनू प्यार ना मिले ते मर जावा।
राम जी की चाल देखो, आंखों की मचाल देखो, करे ये धमाल देखो। अरे दिल को तुम संभाल देखो, अरे चाल देखो ढाल देखो, रगों में उबाल देखो। देखो 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 देखो
किसे गई शराब की गड्डी।
सरिया मुन्निया बेकचिया, कलियां ना तोड़ अंबर सरिया।
तेरे नाल सजना वे मेरा दिल धड़के, मेरा दिल धड़के। तेरे नाल सजना वे मेरा दिल धड़के, मेरा दिल। हबीबी आशिकी हयाती नसीबी, हबीबी आशिकी। लवली हो गईया नाम तेरा पढ़ के, नाम तेरा पढ़ के। मैं लवली हो गईया नाम तेरा पढ़ के, नाम तेरा।
क्या सूरत है, क्या सूरत है, क्या सूरत है। No one's so sexy in the whole galaxy. You make my heart go beating harder. क्या सूरत है, क्या सूरत है, क्या सूरत है। Baby, I don't know what it would do. One real hot kiss from you, I might go crazy, might get smarter. क्या सूरत है, क्या सूरत है, क्या सूरत है, yeah. It's been so long since I last fell in love. Baby, I swear by heaven up above, I wasn't ever keen for what you call the love stuff. Living was so easy, it could never go and rough. But since I saw your face, my mind is not in place. The time has lost its place, and I'm going insane.
What's up? Drew Antonio, she put up a show. Unless I'm impressed, baby, I gotta go. I won't lie and tell you that I'll take it slow, but tonight no bites, 'cause the wife will know.
Sorry, sorry, putoli lakha. Sorry, sorry, putoli lakha. Eh, to diya re
करना वो जाके अपनी भैंस चराए।
बस आज की रात है, कल से वही से अपे है, जी भर के नाच लो ना घर वाले ना मापे हैं, सब पे अपना राज है, डरने की क्या बात है, ये तो बस शुरुआत है, ये तो बस शुरुआत है।
अरे अभी तो पार्टी शुरू हुई है। बाद में ना कहना कुछ भी, पहले ही दे दूं वार्निंग, पार्टी चलेगी टिल 6 in the morning। जी भर के ना चले वे भी नाच नाच के तोड़ दे सैंडल, आंटी पुलिस बुला लेगी तो यार तेरा कर लेगा हैंडल। सूचना जनहित में जारी, जिसको अपनी जान प्यारी, चुपचाप वो फ्लोर पे आए, फ्लोर पे आके नाचे गाए, नखरे वखरे ना दिखाए, शर्म को करते बाय बाय, माइकल जैक्सन वाले 2-3 एक्शन करके दिखाए। पार्टी करनी है हम पार्टी करेंगे, किसी के भी पापा से नहीं डरेंगे, हम हैं बेटे हम, बाकी सारे पानी कम, हमें रोक के दिखाए जिसकी बम में है दम।
He told me that he wants to marry her. We'd been asking for the last year and a half, you know, are you serious about her? Let us know. No, nothing. You know, he was just very evasive about the whole thing. But then I think there came a point in time when he decided it's getting a bit late and they should marry. They're both the same age, so then he said, Mama, I want to marry her and I'm going to talk to her father. And then so I said, go ahead. And so there he went and asked the father, and it took him a lot of days to pick up the courage to go and ask the father, which was so sweet, I thought. Mom, I want to buy a ring, this is my budget, so I want to buy it with my own money. And so I helped him select it, and then he went and proposed in Goa.
You know, I was telling Radhika, there is a lot of excitement, the same excitement as when Bhavna got married, but that little tinge of sadness, Sajeev must be feeling that you're sending your daughter away is not there. So, you know, you don't cry at the Mehndi songs, if you know what I mean. Last time you were talking to me, I was trying to first get my face back and get my tears away before I could speak to you. So that isn't there. It's a nice, lovely feeling. You're getting a additional family member, and of course,
and she's such a lovely child.
It's something I never planned actually, and it's wonderful that it's happened.
Well, I know what Ajay is going to say. You know, he says you have to follow what his father told us. Never go to sleep on a fight. So always wake up the night before. But no, I think no advice really, because they both seem very mature and sorted kids, and I'm so glad that they found each other, and I didn't have to go through the process of introducing him to somebody. It's such a good feeling. I think they figured it out, and they've known each other for 4 years. It should be okay. And the advice will keep coming along the way as and when the situation arises. We can never keep quiet about things. Good energy, and this girl is such a bundle of positive energy that
I love her singing.
Honey Singh ki behan.
She's full of beans, very sporting. I think she's drawn him out a lot. He used to be
he never
shy,
danced. He never used to move. You know, we had to force him to dance in Bhavna's wedding. Now he's in every jhatka, matka. He's a couch potato.
Absolutely.
Total couch
potato. Which was an
potato.
absolute contrast from how he's been in office. You know, he does some work with me, but he reports, as you know, to one of my colleagues. And I mean, I think that the work product and his efforts, in fact, he's got some clients here who visited from the US who he works with. They're here, the General Counsel and the Associate General Counsel. They come straight back for the wedding. It's a great feeling for me, but I think it's wonderful for Raghav at this age to have your own clients who you're working with who feel that it's worth it, that they want to make the effort and come and attend the wedding. So I'm very happy with how he's... I'm not easy on anybody.
Ajay
I let the
is more tough with him than with other people, and I think poor Kanchan will have to go through that also. I mean, she was not getting holiday for her wedding preparations. She asked for holidays from her boss, and Ajay told her, I don't think you should take any chutti.
First I said, okay, I'll consider it, and then 10 minutes later I changed my mind and I said,
in fact, one weekend, about 2 weeks back, one weekend, I called up her boss.
I'll take unpaid leave. I only want unpaid leave. I said, sorry, no leave. You get the same leave as anybody else. I think it's good for them, and Raghav has actually, one of the most important aspects is you must have seen, you won't know, but a lot of the kids who were there yesterday are his colleagues from office. And he has, managed the friendships with people in such a way that nobody sees him as if he's the managing partner, sort of snitch, The question doesn't arise, he's so loyal to his friends. That's a big challenge because people normally would feel that, we shouldn't talk to him and he wouldn't make friends. He's just very easy. He's made lots of friends in the firm. And he's just another normal associate like anybody else. He behaves that way, works harder, and so does she. For me, that's the most pleasing thing. In fact, somebody wanted to do an article, the usual magazines that, your son is in the firm and you want to do a story on him. And I told this journalist from Eco Times, I said, the greatest disservice you will do to my son and to me is talk about him as if he's some different associate. That's not how we run in our organization. It so happens that my son and daughter are there, but they report to people. The whole structure is very different, and I want them to do the right thing, and they will. I'm very confident that they will manage. That to me is one of the greatest features I've seen of Raghav, of how he has managed his friendships over the years in the organization.
Friends you interviewed must have been his chaddiyars from Vasant Valley times, They've been there forever and he's as close to...
Most of his friends, the girls that I've met from school, college, who are with him, some of them work with us also. I mean, some of the girls he was with are also in AZB. Always a gentleman, he still has those...
Gentle boy.
Gentle boy.
लाल मेरी पत रखियो बला झूले लालन हो लाल मेरी पत रखियो भला झूले लालन हो लाल मेरी पत रखियो भला झूले लालन जिंदड़ी दा सेवन दा सखी शाबाश कलंदर दमादम मस्त कलंदर अली दम दम दे अंदर दमादम मस्त कलंदर अली दा पहला नंबर ओ लाल मेरी पीड़ा तेरी खैर होवे हर दम पीड़ा तेरी खैर होवे हर दम पीड़ा तेरी खैर होवे नाम अली बेड़ा और लगा झूले लालन हो नाम अली अली
we were actually wondering when it happened, but it was such a pleasant news, which was actually the best news that we had ever heard in a lifetime.
And we couldn't have expected anything better than this. Radhika and Ajay, gem of a person. Raghav is also. So Kanchan has got the best, what I think. And Raghav is a very sweet boy, no doubt.
Wonderful, wonderful boy.
Though they were working in the same office, they were meeting every day. My other children used to tease my daughter, ki, so what's Raghav doing? And I never took it so seriously. But
until Raghav broke the news for the first
Kanchan
time.
only broke.
Kanchan broke it first. Came to me
came
that I'm going to Goa,
and I want to propose.
We are both going to Goa for a friend's wedding, and I want to propose her there. So I haven't told her that, but I'm going to do that. So he was wanting my consent, and of course my consent was certainly there.
Because he took permission before proposing. That was very sweet of him.
It was very decent, very
decent of him. He could have just gone and said Kanchan. It was between Kanchan and, but he gave full respect to us.
She must take care of the home that she's going to. She must. They're wonderful people. I know Ajay for the last 30 years, and I know Radhika for the last 30 years. When we actually, I met Ajay, these people at this, it was August '86 or so, and both Kanchan and Raghav were born in the same year. So they were born after our friendship started. So I wish them the best. And it's a great.
It's a great thing. Kanchan is the most adorable child of our family, being the youngest.
And the most loved.
Most loved and very affectionate, and I think we'll miss her. If I'm stressed, Radhika is there to relieve my stress. She always, if I say forget something, she says, okay, forget it.
The most chilled out.
Most chilled out people.
The most chilled out people. It's such a wonderful that we are all together. We've become a family now.
लगन लागी रे तो से प्यार बलम केसरी तो से प्यार लगन लागी रे तो से लागी रे बलम केसरी तो से लागी रे लगन लागी रे तो से प्यार बलम केसरी तो से प्यार लगन लागी रे तो से लागी रे बलम केसरी तो से लागी रे जी में से बसे जादू सा क्या कर दिया है मोगरे फूल से लम्हा हर पल जुड़ा तुमसे ही रंगीनिया है सौंधी सी खुशबुएं महकी सी लगन लागी रे तो से लागी रे बलम केसरी तो से लागी रे
लागी रे लगन लागी रे तो से प्यारे बलम केसरी तो से प्यारे लगन लागी रे तो से लागी रे बलम केसरी तो से लागी रे.
So it didn't start out as an office romance because he wasn't in office at that time.
Yeah.
When we started dating, he wasn't working in office. You start.
I met her while I was interning and she was actually working there. She's senior to me in office. I don't know if you know that. I was going to join there in a year, but I had a summer break in my second last year of college. So I was interning and she was working there already.
So when we joined office, I think people just thought that we were like really good friends in any case. Like they just assumed that we were really good friends. We weren't. We were actually dating.
I remember the office, the reception in Payal. I don't know if you met her, but very sweet girl. She introduced me saying, "You must be knowing Mr. Puri's daughter, Kanchan." And I'd never met her in my life. I didn't even know Mr. Puri had a daughter named Kanchan. And I was like, no, I don't know her at all. Like, and we met for the first time because she introduced her. She's like, Kanchan, that's Raghav. She just joined, I think 2-3 days before I came for that internship.
Like a week.
She just started work at that time.
Okay.
And the funny thing is that you were at Harry's birthday before that. We have a very close common friend whose party we both been to at the same time, but never met each other. But she knew me because someone had told her.
I know that guy had told me that, oh, you know, like, I'm really good friends with a guy who's your dad's partner's son. So I was just like, okay, like, what do I do with that information?
Yeah.
And then when I started working in EZB, a day before he started interning there, I met this guy at a party and he was just like, oh, you know, my friend's going to start interning there tomorrow. And I was just like, oh, okay, cool. Again, like, absolutely irrelevant to me. So when I walked into office, I didn't actually see Raghav. Because I think I must have reached first. So after he came, Payal was like, oh, that's Mr. Puri's daughter, and he had no idea. And then people didn't even tell me who he was because they just assumed that I'd know. Obviously, I did. So then after that, we were like... Yeah.
And she was sitting in front of me, so I was watching her walk through. I was like, okay.
I think like during his internship, we were meeting every day at work.
Yeah.
After his internship got over, I think he extended it.
Yeah.
By a week, he extended his internship. And then
maybe it was for her, I don't know. Probably.
Probably.
It wasn't for the work. Let me tell you that.
Yeah. And then after his internship got over, we started meeting outside office and stuff. And then we kind of started.
Yeah.
So people used to like ask me. Like,
Dad used to ask me. At that time, I didn't know what it would mean for him.
Yeah.
Like, you know, it was very scary.
Yeah.
He knows Kanchan's dad so well. I didn't know. He asked me again one more time and I just decided...
But by then we had a cut-off.
So we had been talking about it for a long time that, you know, now we just need to tell them. We figured out we wanted to marry each other at some point.
They caught us in Khan Market walking together a couple of times. Your parents?
Yeah? I don't remember that. I remember other people from office.
No.
My parents.
Yeah. We were buying stuff for a party and they came.
Oh, yeah. But yeah, so, you know, eventually we thought like we'll work backwards from when we thought we might want to be married, like, you know, around that time, and work about 12 to 15 months before that. We need to tell our parents because they need to know beforehand.
Yeah.
So it was about reaching that time and we were still like deliberating how, when, and my dad just came one morning and he just asked me, you know, so tell me honestly what's happening with this Kanchan, because I keep hearing every day. And I finally admitted it to him. I was like, you know, I've been dating her, I really like her, I love her, and he just asked me like, so what is this? Is this serious? And I hadn't told Kanchan that obviously she didn't know this was going to happen, and I just told him, you know, I'm going to marry her. Like, simple as that. Like, it's very serious, we want to get married, I'm going to marry her. And he was like, first you're admitting to me for the first time that you're dating her and you're telling me you want to marry her. How the hell were you keeping this from me for so long? So yeah, and then I had to tell her that, you know, I've told my parents, your parents are going to find out now.
Yeah.
Like, something just happened. It felt right. So it wasn't one thing in particular, but it was everything. Everything about it. You just fit like with someone, like, I guess, and that's all.
The biggest thing was that I loved hanging out with him. Like, I could hang out with him for hours, I could talk to him for hours. It was just like, I used to go to, like, he was in college, like, initially when we became friends. He was in college and I was working. We used to talk on the phone till 5 in the morning. And then I had to go to work the next morning. He had to sleep because he would barely even go to college. And I would just be like, doesn't matter. I'm still going to talk to him at night. It's fine. So I think I loved chilling with him. I loved spending time with him. And initially, like when he asked me out, I said, I don't think we should do this and all. Like, I work in your dad's office and our parents know each other. If we start dating, we're gonna have to hide it because,
I had to convince her to date me, by the way.
Yeah.
It took a lot of convincing. She was all like, no.
And every time he would ask me out for dinner, I just couldn't say no because I loved hanging out with him. So I used to be like, yeah, okay, let's do dinner. And then I used to just sit at dinner and be like, this is a dinner, this is not a date. This is a dinner, this is not a date. Until one day I admitted, I was like, okay, fine, that's a date. And every dinner he'd sit and he'd be like, this is denial. This is not dinner, this is not a date, this is denial. So I just be like, okay. I think I was out at a party one evening and I sent him a text saying, where's my date? In 40 minutes, this guy showed up at that party.
I was at someone's house and she's messaged me. I was like, oh, I have to go there. Sorry, but I'm just getting out of here.
And then the next thing he asked me was, so can I tell people you're my girlfriend now? And I was just like, that's a little weird.
Because people were asking me, like, what is last? I didn't know what to say. Like, I was confused. I was like, no, I just go on dinners with her. It's really weird. The argumentative because she's a lawyer. Like,
actually, that's the thing, like.
Both of us, like, when we fight, we fight.
It's a war. Like, when we're fighting, it's like fireworks and like cannonballs are flying all over
Objection,
the place.
my lord, kind of like full on courtroom battle going on.
Yeah, but I think that's, I mean, like.
But see, I can understand that because I'm like that. So, like, I don't think it's a bad thing because I know I fight like that. So, for both of us, we understand that because we both are lawyers, we both are argumentative and that.
Yeah, and I think we're both the kind of people that we get really irritated if the other person was not actually argumentative. Yeah. Like, at least for me, I'd be like, yeah, come on, put up a fight at least. Like, put up an argument. Give me something that.
Don't just say sorry. Like, at least tell me what happened.
But that's why it used to be so challenging to fight with Raghav because he's a great lawyer. Okay, like he's this ace. His arguments are ace.
What
so like when he'll be like
she never admits that to me, by the way.
he'll be like fighting with me and suddenly come to this point and I'll be like, like I missed that. Like I should have thought of that.
Yeah, but like, my problem is my memory. Like after like 1 month, I don't remember the fight. Kanchan will remind me of every fight we've had, and every time I've argued something else contradictory to what I'm saying today. She'll be like, but that time we fought, you said this, and I'm like, really I don't even remember that fight. Maybe it was a different context. I don't know. And I'm like just zapped at that point.
of us were going for dinner that day, and Didi and I were at home and Rohit was at work when mom came to us, and mom was on a call and she's like, Bhavna, come here. Raghav has proposed to Kinu and they're getting married, and you know, both of us were together and Rohit was on a call with mom. And like, what?
Yes.
We just got goosebumps, and till date we get goosebumps. It's a beautiful feeling.
Kanchan's a very fine person, and I think Raghav is one hell of a lucky guy to be getting married to Kanchan. That's all. That's all that I know.
That's true.
That's true. Kanchan is incredible from every aspect. Every aspect. Incredible. Yeah.
Ladies and gentlemen, that was the showstopper for you.
I am a disco dancer. I am a disco dancer. I am a disco dancer. जिंदगी मेरा गाना, मैं इसी का दीवाना। तो झूमो तो नाचो, आओ मेरे साथ नाच गाओ। I am a disco dancer. I am a disco dancer.
Your mouth is a revolver, find bullets in the sky. Your love is like a soldier, loyal till you die. And I've been looking at the stars for a long, long time. I've been putting out fires all my life. Everybody wants to flame, they don't want to get burned. And today is our turn. Days like these lead to nights like this, lead to love like ours. You light the spark in my bonfire heart. People like us, we don't need that much. Just someone that starts the spark in our bonfire hearts. This world is getting colder, strangers passing by. No one offers you a shoulder, no one looks you in the eye. But I've been looking at you for a long, long time, just trying to break through, trying to make you mine. Everybody wants to flame, they don't want to get burned. Well, today is our turn. Days like these lead to nights like this, lead to love like ours. You light the spark in my bonfire heart. People like us, we don't need that much. Just someone that starts the spark in our bonfire hearts. Our bonfire hearts. Our bonfire hearts. Oh, our bonfire hearts. You light the spark. People like us, we don't need that much. Just someone that starts the spark in our bonfire hearts.
Raghav and Kanchan were, I think, a couple shortly after they started working together. But it was just one of those things we were not supposed to know. But I think a lot of us knew quite long back that there was something more happening there. And I think they make a lovely couple. I work with Raghav mostly, but I also interact with Kanchan, and I think both of them, the office fondly calls them the Behel Puri mix. I want them to stay the way they are, happy, full of life. I wish them a very happy, long married life.
पल तू मैं तो छाओ पिया तभी हूँ मगन हो नैनों में बस छब तेरी लहराए झलके छलके छलके रे पर से हल्के हल्के अपने ही रंग में हो अपने ही रंग में मुझको रंग दे धीमे धीमे रंग में मुझको रंग दे सौंधे सौंधे रंग में मुझको रंग दे रंग देना रंग देना रंग देना अपने ही रंग में मुझको रंग दे धीमे धीमे रंग में मुझको रंग दे सौंधे सौंधे रंग में मुझको रंग दे रंग देना रंग देना रंग देना
When I used to go to Sanjeev's house, when I used to see her, she was a little plump girl. I thought I'll be seeing a little plump girl coming and joining us. And all of a sudden, I saw a very different girl joining the firm and joining me as when she started her career here. They managed to keep their romance and or whatever was going on at a closely guarded secret. So I don't think I ever came to know. Obviously, you can get hints, little bit of hints here and there, but they manage them so well here. I don't think I ever, got to know that something is cooking up there. Sweethearts, I love both of them a lot, and I've been seeing them, from the childhood time. Even when I'm with Ajay from last 20 years, and Raghav was a child when I, came here. He used to call me uncle, and I used to tell him, "Don't call me uncle, I'm not that old at that time." So when I think retrospectively, when I really want to rewind what was going on at that point in time, and some of the, some of those evenings when we went out, even with clients, Raghav left within, 90 seconds of Kanchan leaving. And I could not put my, two and two together because they all were leaving together. I thought they must be going out separately. But now when you rewind the whole thing, then you will know, of course, something was going on. So, we all went out for a team night out, and we also called some clients over at that time. Xander team was there, Sid was there, Rohit, a lot of guys were there. And at around 12:28 or something, Raghav left. He lives very close to, he lives close to Taj Palace, so he left. And then all of a sudden, first Kanchan left, and then within 90 seconds, Raghav said, "I have to go." So till that time, I didn't know, what's going on. But when you rewind few things now, of course, maybe. I wish them, all good things in life. And they both are, as I told you, they both are sweethearts. I love both of them, their parents. I've been part of, both of them from last now around 20 years. I wish them all good things and a lot of children and a lot of good life out of that.
खटने नु कलिया खट के ले आंदी खीर ओ वारी वारी वरसी खटने नु कलिया खट के ले आंदी खीर जोश नाल पावे बोलिया जद नचदे गिदे विच ही जोश नाल पावे बोलिया जद नचदे गिदे विच ही जोश नाल पावे बोलिया खट के ले आंदी बच्ची खटने नु कल्लिया खट के ले आंदे हीरे ओ कुड़िए हाण दिए निडोरी निडोरी होके बल्ले खाजा कुड़िए हाण दिए निडोरी होके बल्ले खाजा कुड़िए हाण दिए मार छड़पा मैं मार छड़पा मार छड़पा मैं मार छड़पा चख दे मार छड़पा मार छड़पा पिंड विच आजा नी तू झांझर जे छणका जा मार छड़पा पिंड विच आजा नी तू झांझर दे छणका जा ओ कुड़िए हाण दिए निडोरी निडोरी होके बजे खाजा कुड़िए हाण दिए निडोरी होके बजे खाजा कुड़िए हाण दिए निडोरी होके बजे खाजा कुड़िए हाण दिए निडोरी होके बजे खाजा कुड़िए हाण छड़पा मार छड़पा मार छड़पा मार छड़पा बसे ओ मार छड़पा बसे मार छड़पा मार छड़पा बसे मार छड़पा मार छड़पा मार छड़पा
So cute, our little tomatoes getting married. Oh, I'm so proud of him. A, to have found someone like Kanchan. So sensible and so together. And both of them haven't lost the fun. I mean, they're young, they're fun, they're sensible, they're cute together. And I think proud of him too. Having done that, and he's grown into such a gentleman. You know, he's a generous boy. I feel really happy and privileged to have a brother like him.
No, he loves the TV, that's about it. He just loves the TV.
No, he's very sporty. He plays a lot of sports. He's lazy. He's got that lazy look. But no, Raghav is very sporty. He's won every year in Gymkhana. He's won. His name is in Gymkhana badminton. He wins every year. He just gives you that impression that he's lazy and all.
But he loves the TV though.
Yeah, TV is his
But
love.
that's okay. I mean, I suppose when you work so many hours, you need a relief.
So he's watching TV all the time upstairs and my father is watching it downstairs. Same position, parallelly downstairs, and they both are exactly. I think my father and Raghav, there are some similarities, especially with television.
Best of luck. You're starting this beautiful journey. We love you. We're there for you. Standing behind you, and I hope you have the best years coming up ever. Little drunk on the beer, so sorry. Yeah.
So I think with Raghav, at least I knew quite long time back that he's going to get married to her for some reason, and I had already. No, I haven't told. I didn't tell anyone, but I was trying to instigate it in my own way. At least I was seeing a feel up from Kanchan, and Kanchan would always smile, you know. So I was like, when are you guys doing it?
He's one of the gentlest. Like, he'll give things to the servants. You won't even know he's done it. He won't announce it. He'll use his salary. He's very cute. It's really sweet to see him. I'm really happy for him because
And I think Kanchan's in the same zone.
Kanchan is a very. I mean,
she's in the same zone, and I think that
and
works beautifully for both of them.
We've been watching her since Bhavna's wedding.
She's
And
also very
that's
gentle,
when we met
she's
her.
very kind, she's very
And we've
sweet.
been seeing her around. I think she's going to gel in really nicely in our family. And I think he's
And the
very
best
lucky
part
to get
is
her.
she loves music, she loves to dance. At any given time, she's not inhibited, and that's what we all are.
दिन शगना दा चढ़िया आओ सखियो नी वेड़ा सजिया हाँ मेरा सजना मिलिया सजना मिलन वधाइयां नी सजन डोली लेके आना नी वेड़ा सजिया
happy that you finally tamed the untamable loose tiger. You know, I was actually stop. Where's the beer?
Fine, beer's here. It's I was hiding it, but come on.
Go on. Only you could have done it. And you know, I just have good wishes for the two of you. I think, you know, I'll just say that we'll gift you sound plugs for when you're sleeping at night.
Damn, that was mine.
For you know the reasons why. There's one person who'll always have the right socks on. So sorry, these are all internal jokes, but anyway.
You're part of the family now.
You're part of the family now.
Piece of advice for Kanchan. Make sure he's erect. Not in the naughty way, but like he has a tendency to lie down a lot, right? So you want to make sure that he actually sits up a lot more than he usually does. But yeah, not in the naughty way. I mean, what you guys do in the bedroom is not my fucking area of... Not my concern, but keep it love both of you. And yeah, like Amjad said, tame the what was earlier what we thought untamable at some point.
Extremely loose
tiger has now been tamed. And congratulations to both of you, man. May you have a happy life together.
Yeah. You are in for a hell ride, yeah. I spent 3 nights with him.
Can I interject?
Yes.
There. So once we were on a floor above, and we got really excited because we thought there was a hookah in the floor below, and because of the sound, so all of us went running saying, "Where the fuck is this hookah coming from?" We never like, go and find Behel.
Adding to that story in Hong Kong, we had a flight the next day. I thought my alarm went off. It's actually Behel snoring, dude.
No Hong Kong, no bachelor party disclosure.
Hey, but Behel was really good in Hong Kong, Kanchan, by the way, separately. Great bachelor party, slept early.
He's a welfare officer. He's a resident welfare officer.
No, but I mean, hats off to you for marrying the laziest guy I know, but the nicest, sweetest, most awesome and wonderful person
Most
ever.
amazing guy.
Wish you guys the very best in life, man. Always. And little Behel soon.
9 months. We want little Behel. We want little lazy Behel.
They'll be damn active, dude. The gene goes wrong sometimes.
9 months you have, huh? Not more than that.
लागी सब कहें लागी 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 सब कहें लागी लगी न अंग लागी तो जब जानिए जब रहे गुरु के संग मौला ओ जी मौला खुसरो खुसरो रैन सुहाग की जो मैं जागी थी के संग खुसरो बाजी प्रेम की खुसरो बाजी प्रेम की जो मैं खेली पी के संग जीत गई तो पिया मोरे जो मैं हारी पी के संग
छाप तिलक सब छीन लिए मुँह से नैना मिलाई के छाप तिलक सब छीन लिए मुँह से नैना मिलाई के छाप तिलक सब छीन लिए मुँह से नैना मिलाई के
नैना मिलाई के मोरे नैना मिलाई के मोरे नैना मिलाई के
मोह से बोलो ना बोल मोह से बोलो ना बोल मोह से बोलो ना मोह से बोलो ना मोह से बोलो ना बोल मेरी सुन या ना सुन मैं तो है न छोड़ूंगी सांवरे मुझसे नैना मिलाएंगे
नैना मिलाई के
छाप तिलक सब छीन लिए मुझसे नैना मिलाई के छाप तिलक सब छीन लिए मुझसे नैना मिलाई के नैना मिलाई नैना मिलाएंगे नैना मिलाएंगे छाप तिलक कब छीन रे बोले नैना मिलाएंगे
मतवारी कर रे मोरे नैना
मिलाई के छाप तिलक सब छीन लिए मुझसे नैना मिलाई के रैनी चढ़ी रसूल की रैनी चढ़ी
This is one of them. Before we allow you to party, I can also be a little sober. So, where is Kanchan and where is Raghav? Give me 2 minutes to get Kanchan here, where she'd gone to for a break, I was told. Raghav, where is your BV, man? अबे कल भी मैंने बोला था ये ना हो कंचन कंचन कहाँ है तू अबे ढूंढ ना जाके फटाफट लेके आ there's Kanchan, here's Kanchan. So it's been an amazing week of celebration, and as you know, it's culminated in us getting an additional family member in our lovely Kanchan. As we did, believe it or not, almost to the day 4 years ago, when we got wonderful Aditya in our lives. Where is Aditya? Of course, you have always been in our lives. We have a lovely little darling over here who's always, Nadia has been his Bobby, who's been a part of our lives. So it's been such an amazing week. Now, I don't know how many of you know, but Kanchan and Raghav work in the same office. And they work in the same office as me. Okay? Well, now look at this as an endorsement. First, she can't have enough for her husband in office. She wants to live with him all her life. Oh man. On top of that, I must be a pretty decent guy in office that she's willing to spend the rest of her life in her home with us and with me around. How is that for an endorsement? Yeah, that's what I like. Anyway. The fact is, none of this could have happened without all our amazing friends and our guests who are here tonight. Many of them have traveled from different parts of the world and from different parts of the country, and we want to thank everybody who is over here. Thank you very much for being here. And on behalf of my mother, Mrs. Roshan Lal, my mother-in-law, Mrs. Soi, Radhika, me, Kanchan, Raghav, Aditya, Bhavna, Rohit, Pooja, and his Rohit's Bhavna. I want to thank everybody who's here tonight for making this so special for all of us. I think Radhika and I have always felt blessed that we have the most extraordinary family and the most extraordinary friends. And I can see that my children, with the friends that I've seen around them, both at the workplace and otherwise, like for us, have been extraordinary. Their energy has kept this going for all of these days, and thank you very much, all of you. I mean, you know, so my friends are so wonderful that I don't know how many of them to thank, but we got to start with my friend Chinu. Chinu, where are you? For the wonderful cards and the boxes she made, which got us all the appreciation. Thank you very much. My nephew Arjun, where are you, Arjun? Yeah. For all the sound checks and this check and that check and running around here, etc., etc. My friend Vikram Mohan, who found his place in life with the dholak, with 13, 14 women around him, knocking back whiskeys. Normally says, yaar, ek kafi hai. That day saying, aane de, yaar. Kanhaiya ki tarah wahan baitha hua tha ladkiyon ke saath. So, I mean, that's fantastic. But, you know, there's been just wonderful. But the fact of the matter is that the Bosker, the Bell Oscar, goes to my friend Vandana Mohan and my wonderful nieces Aparna and Anisha. Without them, you wouldn't have had the venues. Without Vandana and our team, today we would have been showered with the showers. So I want Vandana here, and I want Chinu here, and my nieces here, and all of you here. And I want you to dance to the song that represents the sentiment of this evening, which is happy. Here for it, boys.
Myself crazy, but by the stage. Child is easy, take a break. It's a storm that goes fade. Yeah, I don't care about the fade. I'm lonely, like a lonely night. just goodbye. But it's you all the way to die. Hey, 'cause I'm lonely if you feel like moving without me. 'Cause I'm lonely if you feel like nothing seems to do. 'Cause I'm lonely if you know but nothing seems to you. 'Cause I'm lonely if you feel like that's what you want to do. Bring me down, get up, bring me down, that's too high. Bring me down, get up, bring me down, yeah, that's too high. Bring me down, get up, bring me down, that's too high. Bring me down, get up, bring me down, 'cause I'm lonely if you feel like home without you. 'Cause I'm lonely if you feel like nothing seems to do. 'Cause I'm lonely if you know what nothing seems to do. 'Cause I'm lonely if you feel like that's what you want to do. Bring me down, get up, get me down, yeah, that's too high. Get me down, get up, bring me down, yeah, that's too high. Bring me down, get up, bring me down, that's too high. Bring me down, get up, yeah, bring me down, 'cause I'm lonely if you feel like home without you. 'Cause I'm lonely if you feel like nothing seems to do. 'Cause I'm lonely if you know what nothing seems to do. 'Cause I'm lonely if you feel like that's what you want to do. It might sound crazy what I'm about to say.
He never told me that he's in love with Kanchan, but I knew that they're dating each other. He denied it for the longest time, so you know, it's not that much. A year and a half ago, he started acknowledging the fact that they are dating. Even he was just hiding it from all of us. I don't know why. I always knew. In fact, I still remember 4 or 5 years ago, Raghav was interning at Papa's office, and I knew he had the hots for Kanchan. She was working there full time at that point. I just asked Raghav one evening that, you know, what do you think about Kanchan? You know, she's a sweet girl and looks like you're interested in her. So he denied it, and he said that no, there's someone else I think who really likes her. So, you know, I don't want to really take a chance. So then I told him, till you don't ask her if she likes you or likes that other guy, how will you ever know? So I guess that's when he gathered some courage and asked her out. Actually, I don't really know how exactly it went, but I know he proposed to her on the beach. Raghav is very lazy. And Kanchan is just not lazy. And Raghav loves his sleep as well. So
I think she's going to have a very tough time getting him out of bed, and particularly getting him to do his own things.
And getting him off the couch.
Yeah.
The TV couch.
Yeah, he loves watching TV. And he's very attached to Pachi, his maid who raised him. So I think she still takes out his office clothes, folds his clothes when he's traveling for a holiday.
Cuts his nails.
Yeah, cuts his toenails. He doesn't do it himself. So I think for Kanchan that may be like a big cultural shock, seeing how to get Raghav to grow up and do all this more of himself. You know, my only advice would be that there will be bumps along the way. There'll be ups and downs. But, you know, I think you should just enjoy the ride, and everything is a learning experience. You know, even though him and Kanchan have dated each other and known each other for so long, I think once they start living with each other, they'll learn more about each other. And, you know, they should remember that they got together because they love each other. And even in the bad times, that will stick them through and hold them good.
छोटी सी याद तो रखियो मेरी बात। तेरी लाडकी मैं, तेरी लाडकी मैं, तेरी लाडकी मैं, छोड़ूंगी ना तेरा हाथ। तेरी लाडकी मैं, तेरी लाडकी मैं, तेरी लाडकी मैं, छोड़ूंगी ना तेरा बाबुल मोरे बाबुल मोरे